In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Glide. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional form your users can fill out, and you'll know exactly where to find and adjust every option you need. First, go to Glide. Open your browser and head straight to the Glide website so we can work inside the builder. This is where you'll create and manage your apps and components, including forms. Next, sign into your account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have more than one. Signing in takes you to the main dashboard, which lists your projects and recent edits. Now, open the project you want to edit. Click into the specific app where the contact form should live. You'll see the Glide Builder with your screens and components. Take a moment to confirm you're on the screen where the form should appear, such as a contact or support page, so everything stays organized for your users. On the right sidebar, click Add, then choose Multi-Step Form. The right panel is your main toolbox in Glide. When you click Add, you'll see component options. Selecting Multi-Step Form gives you a guided, screen-by-screen experience for your users, which is perfect for collecting contact details in a clear, low-friction way. Now, add the details you want. This is where you shape the form to match your needs. Give each field a clear label, like name, email, and message, and add helpful placeholders so users know what to enter. Mark important fields as required to ensure you get all the information you need. You can reorder fields to create a logical flow, and split them across steps to keep things simple. Basic info first, message details next, and a quick review at the end. Consider short helper text to explain why you're asking for certain information, and customize the button labels to be action-oriented, like continue and submit. Use the live preview to check spacing, text clarity, and mobile responsiveness. If your project uses themes or branding, make sure the form colors and typography align so everything looks consistent. When you're happy with how the form looks and behaves, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live so users can access the form immediately. If this isn't your first time publishing, you'll still want to publish again to push the latest updates. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.